In this Siteground review, I am going to show you everything that you need to know about Siteground, including the speed test, ease of use, pricing, customer support review, and pros and cons, so you can easily decide if Siteground is the right choice for you or not. Make sure to watch the full video till the end. Also, if you're ready to make a Siteground hosting purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from the description link and get yourself a discount if one's available. So Siteground is one of the most popular and highest rated hosting providers in the WordPress community. WordPress only recommends 3 web hosting for WordPress, and Siteground is one of them. And that makes Siteground one of the best choices for WordPress hosting. Now let's talk about Siteground pricing. So here you can see Siteground provides 3 plans: Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek. The startup price is only $3.99 per month, and with this plan, you can only create one website. You'll get 10 GB of web space, free SSL, free CDN, a free email account, and all these features. But if you want to create multiple sites, then you have to choose the Grow Big or Go Geek plan. So simply create the domain name here, or you can add your domain name as well if you already have yours. Then on this page enter your details, and choose the payment method. Talking about the data center, Siteground has a 6 data location for you to choose from. You can choose from the USA, Asia, Australia, UK, Germany, and Europe. We always recommend you choose the location which is closest to most of your customers. So for example, if you have a local business in Australia or New Zealand, then we would choose Australia as our location. But if your customers are worldwide, then we would want to choose the United States. And the most important thing here is the period. Make sure to select the 12 monthly plan to get the best discount, because if you select the 12 months plan, then you have to pay $3.99 per month. But if you select 36 months plan, then you have to pay $10.49 per month. So if you've got a low budget, then you can start with 12 months plan, but if you have more budget, then you can choose their longest 36 months plan. So no need to select this extra, and here you can see the total price is only $47.88. Then check all these boxes and click on the Pay Now button and complete your purchase. Then you'll receive all the details in your email. Now let's talk about Siteground ease of use. Right away from the dashboard, you can see it looks easy to navigate. So I will now show you by doing a quick install of our WordPress website. To install WordPress, then from your dashboard, click on New Website. Now select your domain and click on Continue. Then click on Start New Website. Now here choose WordPress. Then enter your email, create a password and click on Continue. Then finally click on Finish. And you can see how easy and quick to install WordPress on Siteground. To install an SSL certificate, then go to the Security tab, and click on SSL Manager. Select your SSL and click on Get. And it's a one-click install, and it's that easy literally. So Siteground is really simple and easy to use. I think all users, especially beginners, would love how clean their new interface is. And just how easy it is to navigate and do things to your website. I'm very impressed. Now let's talk about Siteground speed and performance. After I've installed the basic WordPress site, then I added some design elements to it to increase the page size. Also, I installed the Cloudflare CDN for better performance and Short Pixel, which is for speed optimization. Also, WP Fastest Cache is for speed optimization. Then I went ahead and tested out the speed of my site using GT Metrix. And the result is 1.9 seconds. As it's way under Google's recommendation of 3 seconds and is close to being the fastest out of all shared hosting platforms. Now moving on to uptime, we have been monitoring the stability and performance of Siteground with the Uptime Robot, and can report that their uptime for the last 30 days is 100%. That's right, their downtime was 0 minutes. The last time our site was down with Siteground was around 90 days ago, which was amazing. So Siteground speed and uptime performance are really great. Now let's talk about Siteground customer support. Siteground has a few different options for you to contact them by. Whether you want to call, email, or live to chat with them, they are available 24/7 to help you out. Their customer service team is regarded by many people as the best in the industry. With regards to the response time, we contacted him at 3 different times of the day, to make sure we get an overall average and not just a biased fast response time during their off-peak hours. So that averages out to be around 1 minute and 20 seconds of wait time. And this is also one of the best response times. Their support team was friendly and willing to help immediately without having to ask twice. And their response time is the best we've ever had from any online service, including those outsides of the web hosting world. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Bluehost. So the first pro is their intuitive and easy to navigate dashboard. Also, installing WordPress takes just a few clicks, and a free one-click SSL certificate installers as well. They have 100% uptime performance and their page load speed is impressive. Also, their customer support is great and fast. And lastly, they have 6 data centers. Now talking about the cons. The first con is that their shared hosting price is expensive. And the last con is that they have no discount if we buy it for a long period. So finally, let's talk about who should buy Siteground web hosting. They are one of the best shared web hosting providers I've tested. They have great speeds, the interface is one of the cleanest and easiest to use. And their support is also top-notch, you just can't beat that perfect combination. So this is my recommendation for you. Whether you're a beginner or advanced user looking for the best overall shared hosting provider, then I think Siteground is a very worthy option that you should consider. Also, if you're ready to make a Siteground hosting purchase, then consider purchasing it from the description link and get yourself a discount. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with more reviews videos like this. Thanks for watching.